Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Alright, we're here in Lower Antipolo. Subdivision natin, Kingsville Court. Okay? So yung mga hindi familiar, uunahan ko na kayo, hindi po ito binabaha. Okay? So kahit ondoy yan, o etong pinakaraan na malakas na ulan, sunod-sunod, hindi po tayo binabaha dito, ha? So as you can see, meron tayong, yung parking space natin is good for 3. Alright? Kahit malalaki sasakyan, kasya po. So yung full details, popost ko na lang po ha. Including the price, the lot area, and the floor area. Sa ngayon, enjoy nyo na lang po muna to. This is a modern and well-built property. Alright? So syempre, dito yung ating feature wall and meron tayo ditong floor-mounted AC. Ayan, yung ating mid quarter with toilet and bath na yan. Okay? Maganda to. So ano to? Naka open layout concept. Gusto ko dito yung pagkakagawa tsaka yung mga materials na ginamit po. Okay? Right. Ito yung ating dito, common na powder room dito sa ating ground floor. O one more look sa ground floor. Ito yung ating kitchen area. So basically, dito sa kinatatayuan ko, dito yung ating magiging dining area. Right? Ito, sa tapat na ito. Yan. Okay? So naka-cove ceiling yung ating dining area. O lahat ng angulo, pupwestuhan ko. Ayan. Ganda, diba? Alright? Sige. Akit tayo na second floor. Samahan nyo ako. Meron ditong mga malalaking windows for the natural light. This is 3 floors, ha? Alright. So, dito sa second floor, we have the master's bedroom plus 2 bedrooms po. Okay? May naka-install na rin po na split type aircons and CCTVs. Ito, dito sa ating master's bedroom. Mamaya check ko yung ibang bedrooms. Then, ito yung ating walk-in closet. May mga spotlight pa. Then, yung kanyang full toilet and bath with shower enclosure. One more look sa space ng ating master's bedroom. By the way, available to for cash or bank financing po. Alright? So message lang if interested. Schedule natin for viewing. Okay? So ito yung isang bedroom dito. Meron. May naka-installed na split type aircon. Alright, so ito yung space. Meron tayong built-in cabinet and of course, yung ating toilet and bath. Another bedroom, ganun din naman. Okay? Pares lang naman. May built-in cabinet, may toilet and bath, may saring toilet and bath, and of course, yung ating installed na split type aircon. So, kung tatanungin nyo ako, yung mga hindi familiar, approximately at least siguro mga 1.5 kilometers away, 1 to 1.5 kilometers away going to Masinag, Marcos Highway, SM Masinag, or LRT station. LRT2 ba yun? Yung from Masinag station going to Recto station. Okay? So ito sa third floor, meron din tayong another bedroom. Ganda ng toilet ba talaga na ito? Ganda talaga mga materials na ginamit Alala ko isang buyer ko, paborito niya itong builder na to. Then ito yung ating roof deck. Alright? Meron tayo dito lavatory. Ayan, may mga CCTVs na naka-install do. So added security yan. Right? Another bedroom. Ito kanya yung bathroom area. Ganda, no? O, ito. Ay. Ito po, merong city view. Ganda. Ayan, kita-kita yung mga buildings. Wow. Ngayon ko lang ito napasok. Tagal namin may mga nauna na mga agents na nag-market nito, pero ako ngayon ko lang ito napasok. Okay. So ayan, message lang po if interested kayo, ha. Ganda nito, promise, hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo dito. Okay. Alright, so yun lang. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Bye-bye.